I'm very happy to introduce you to our newest open source keyboard add to our store, which is the Ferris Sweep. The Ferris keyboard is a very popular, fully assembled keyboard. This is the Sweep version of the keyboard. With the Sweep, it fits a standard Pro microcontroller. This is a nice, very thin profile keyboard, as it uses Choc, as all of our keyboards, because that's my favorite switch. And here we've got just a couple different builds I thought I'd show off. The nice part about the Sweep is it's built for both wired and wireless. So I've got two wireless keyboards here and one wired with the Pro Micro Raspberry Pi RP2040. And these are the NF, I can't remember the long numbers, but anyway, we'll probably throw it here in the video, but this is your standard Bluetooth low energy microcontrollers, a couple different kinds. The red ones here, as well as these are the Super Minis that are very popular now. Just two different types of boards. Other than that, they're pretty much identical. And you'll notice here there's a spot for your battery. This uses a standard battery, and you just solder it into the board here, and then there's a switch that you can reach that's underneath there. I'm not sure how well you can see that switch there. And then we have a nice stylish case for it to put together, or if you want, you could get it wired without the battery. And this is standard USB. I personally prefer the wired because it's just easier to use and things, but we've got both, whichever you prefer. And again, Choc. This has an FR4 bottom plate with just 3mm standoff. So again, very nice and thin, just like the case. And they're about the same thickness. The case might be just slightly thinner, the 3D printable case. With this, you've got a reset button that's hidden down deep. It's a surface mount reset button. It's nice and in there so you don't accidentally hit it. And with these, the two different case options, you've also got a variety of keycap styles and switch types that we've got. So here I'm just showing off a little bit. I like the red microcontroller, so I changed out a couple of the keycaps to red. On this one, I thought the blue would look good with the home key along with the thumb keys. And then this is my personal favorite, the MBK Legend 40 set for 40% or less keyboards. I love these Legend sets. I use them on my personal keyboard, and they just hold up really, really well and very comfortable to type on. These are the MBK blanks. We use FK keycaps for the vast majority, and I just think they're beautiful, very stylish keycaps. We do have other keycaps. I just figured I'd show you some of the blank ones here, just a small selection. So you can get this either as a kit, or we can fully assemble it and test it for you, whether wired or wireless, or you can get both. You can make it to where it can be either or just by swapping out the controller and having a battery, and next thing you know, you're on ZMK Bluetooth, or if it's wired, it's QMK. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get yours today at turkeyboards.com. Please check us out for all of our open source keyboards, and thanks for watching.